So folks, we're out here today in Del Rio, Tennessee. We are going to hike up there to that fire tower. It's called Meadow Creek Fire Tower. There's not a whole lot of history known on it other than it's built in 1926.
And it's the fifth one built.
This is the fifth different structure. It all started from sticks and trees. They had a
platform on 3 trees with a tent on it.
Yeah, kind of like a man-made little tree stand, you'd call it. But it was a lookout for fires. It was a fire lookout back in the 20s. And between people vandalizing them and tearing them down, this is the fifth different structure. So let's go up, have a look around, take you guys with us, and let's check it out.
Hey guys, we're going up to this tower.
Yeah, got my baby, me, Booba. Got my baby trains. That goes.
Alrighty. She's going to bring her little babies up here on this little short hike up to the tower.
Yeah, and they pack them num-num, keep them hungry, and do.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we are going to go up there at the tower. Supposed to have a really nice view up here when we get up here, so we're super excited. Yeah, there's a walking trail down through there. Must come from the campground or something, but we went this route. There's a hiking trail that goes up through there. Huh. I think we're going to stay on this trail though.
Yeah, this one is promising. My child is falling behind. I like the little touch of concrete that they got.
Yeah, they tried to, looks like they've put little patches of concrete in through here to try to help get your traction as you walk up through
some
here.
asphalt too.
Yeah. This here used to be an old fire tower. Well, it's like the fifth one they've had up here from what I'm understanding. Then the original structure was 26. Don't hold me to it because I ain't 100% sure. Steep little trail, I gotta take a break, but yeah, this is like the fifth different structure they've had up here since 1926. We're almost up here, guys. Be patient because this is kind of a steep little trail. Whew.
I'm gonna be quite honest with you. This is a lot easier carrying this stroller than her stroller.
Yeah.
No.
I do.
Yours are?
Yeah. I do hate sleepy.
Is your little legs tired, Aspen?
Yeah, me. Oh.
Yeah, we've made it, guys. She's exhausted, she said.
I'm fine. I'll have to love her.
But yeah, right there's the, what is that, C9? Little platform down there. But, yeah, they've done went on up. Ooh, man. Goodness gracious.
Hey, the fog is working with us today.
I mean, that is a 360-degree view, guys. All the way around this place. is cool. Hope the sun glare ain't too much.
The birds are oh, great, they're coming over here.
This is very, very nice. Most of that there's Greene County and some other East Tennessee counties. That's back towards Newport and Douglas Lake way back there in the back. Most of you side down in here is some Cotton County, Del Rio, and then you go across the Carolinas. That's North Carolina on that side. Okay, Aspen, so tell us what you think. Do you like it?
Yeah.
You want to go down to the bottom? Mm-hmm. You can go inside the bottom?
Yeah, it's got a little block building down there underneath. We'll go down there and check it out.
This feels so sketchy. Just standing here, it's like, man, I can just see this falling.
It's like iron grate. Man, tell you, this view is absolutely incredible. Videos and pictures does it no justice, folks. It is absolutely just incredible in person. Breathtaking. Here's some of the original structure foundation, I guess. Foundation blocks.
They painted it to, you know, get rid of that ugly graffiti that people did.
Mm-hmm.
And hell, we got people still doing it.
Oh my God,
Yeah. Yeah, you can tell they've painted back over this a couple
well, I don't know
times.
who Jacob Vick is, but they're going to get in trouble.
Hey, Mommy, you.
Oh, yeah, here we go. Emily Rodriguez and Jacob Vick.
Mommy, you. Oh,
Yeah.
yuck. This, do this, do this, do this.
Actually in Austin.
Yeah, you.
Hey, I feel like I've worked with him before.
Mm-hmm. Big old bird. Alrighty, guys. This here is the Meadow Creek Fire Tower here in Del Rio, Tennessee.
I'm going to walk down here.
I'll show you this thing again because I think it's pretty cool. If you can see it, it'll tell you all about it. Started off by just being a ladder made of sticks in between two trees. Go down here and see what she's found.
Beautiful corral to hang your horses.
Yeah, I think it's what it is, a horseback trail.
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys.
That is a long ass nail.
Alrighty, that is her. Absolutely beautiful.
Mom, look, what that say?
If y'all like these fire towers, like the video and subscribe to the channel because we've got several on our list that we're going to be doing.
Oh, boy, wait.
It says Austin and Ashley.
Okay.
But we have several fire towers we're going to do. We're going to be riding ATVs and dirt bikes to some will drive, and
Some will hike.
a lot will hike. So until now, folks, this is it. See ya.
See ya.
Yeah, bye, everyone.